Hello and welcome to my channel. You must have seen the Michael Jackson's Remember the Time musical video. The last scene is my inspiration. I asked myself, can I create the particle effect with Vinci Resolve? Without much effort, I have created the image particle effect. Why don't I share with you the magical scene I created? Without much ado, let us start the tutorial. I have opened the Vinci Resolve edit page. First, we shall create a fusion composition. Drag the fusion composition in the timeline and reduce the clip time to 3.18 seconds. Select the fusion composition in the timeline and keep the play head on it. Now we shall go to Fusion page and import the media file. Here I have a skeleton image which is a PNG file. Next, drag the media in the fusion composition. Selecting the media in one node, press Shift plus spacebar. Search for PImage emitter and add this. In the similar way, selecting PImage emitter node, press Shift and spacebar and add P-turbulence node. Add P-bounce node and P-directional force node, and lastly add P-render node. Connect the P-render node to media out node. Now selecting PImage emitter node, click the inspector. Change the extensity and Y density to 0.5 each. Change the lifespan to 1000 so that the particles don't disappear. Change lifespan variance to 3.9 and position variance to 0.012. Then go to velocity and change velocity 0.063. Velocity variance to 0.047 angle minus 90.0. Angle variance 0.5. Angle Z 0.5. Angle Z variance 0.2. Then go to Style tab, change Style to Blob. Down below there is Size Control tab. Change size to 0.25. Keep the region on. Now we will manage the turbulence of the particles. Put X strength as 0.1, Y strength as 0.3 and Z strength 0.3. Also, we should change the strength over life by modifying density to 20.5. Next, we have to retain the particles at the bottom so that they don't disappear. As such, we shall use the P-bounce node. By selecting the bounce node, go to Inspector and control the elasticity 1.0, and in the Region tab select Region as Bezier. Draw a curved line with Pen tool and modify the region size as 1.0. We are almost at the final stage. Now the direction of the particles to be animated. So, we will add Directional Force node. Create a keyframe at frame 45 of the timeline, and in the inspector go to Controls and set Strength to 0.1, Direction minus 90.0. Again, create a keyframe at 75 of the timeline and set Strength 0.5 and Direction to minus 45.0. Now we will play it from the frame 0 and see how it works. We are done and have been successful in creating the particle effect as we have seen in the last scene of Remember the Time. Thank you for watching. Please give a like and share it.